Hey everyone, I'm doing another little Beebeecraft product share and a little demonstration on their stuff. So this is the other item I got, and it's just a Patriotic red, white, and blue. Anyway, so this is a little kit, and then I got these jump rings. I will link these both items down below in the description box, and as the other videos, I will tell you again about Beebeecraft's YouTube program. You have to have 100 subscribers or more and do videos on your YouTube channel. And they'll send you some items. And their shipping is fast. I mean, very fast. So I like how these cases came. These cases are nice and sturdy. I mean, not cheaply made or anything, and I love that. And that's the same with this here on these jump rings. I needed more jump rings, and I thought, what a good opportunity to get more jump rings, right? Because I'm constantly going through them. So, and then this kit comes with some fish hooks, eye pins, and head pins. See, and that's how tough this is. This is a good case. Eye pins, jump rings, and then it has the stars, everything else. So what I'm going to do is demonstrate how to put one of these together. Now, let me see if I can find, here's the fish hooks. That's what some people call them. That's what I call them. Yeah. Like those. So what you do is you get your head pin like so. That's not a head pin, excuse me, eye pin. I like the eye pin because I could put a jump ring on it and dangle it down here. So what I like to do is I will start out with, let's do a star. Like so. And then we'll put, let's see here, what should I put here? We'll put a white one, like so, and we'll do a red one. Okay. And I'm going to cut some off. Now, I thought about wrapping it. I'm not going to do that today on these particular ones, just because they take a little time. But what I'm going to do is I could either keep it like this or keep one off. So I think I will keep those on real quick, like that. And then I'm kind of measure it with my thumb a little bit. And I'm going to cut some off, and I'm just going to turn it instead of wrapping it. It's just easier to me right now. I have a hard time seeing because the lighting is not very good. Just kind of do that. And you go at a 90-degree angle, like so. I kind of like that. And then what you want to do, like this, is just kind of wrap it, or turn it towards you. And I'm just gonna get a good grip on that. Like so. See? Just put it down a little bit more. I think you can also use these for dangles too. You don't have to make earrings out of them. There we go. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these jump rings that I got from them. And we're going to add a jump ring onto it. Anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to open this jump ring. like so. And we're going to stick it on there like so. Okay. And then we're going to take let's see here, a star, and we'll add it on there like so. Oops, we're going to just like this. Stick it on there like that. And then we're going to close her up. So there's the earring, like that. And then I like to take another jump ring. And we'll open it up. These are tiny, tiny, and they're good. They're good jump rings. Like so. Okay. And you want to add it on there. And then put it on your, like so. All right, now you got yourself a pretty earring. Super cute. You can also make this as a dangle and not put the earring on it, and you can attach it to Happy Mail or whatever you want to do. So yeah. Oops. And I will show you both pairs here in just 1 second. All right, friends, there you have it. My cute little Patriotic earrings. Super cute. Oh my gosh, I have glue all over my hands. Aren't those cute? You can do all kinds of fun things in them. And that's what they have in them. Super cute. Anyway, guys, all right, here. So that is my Beebeecraft earrings. I hope you like what you see on here with the earrings. And I will link those down below so you can check them out. Please leave a comment. Tell me what you think about these earrings. They're super cute. And if you haven't already, please like this video, subscribe if you haven't, hit the notification bell to all so you can see more videos of mine. And yeah, so also I have a code for Beebeecraft, which is Pam5. So I will also link that down below in the description box so you can have the $5 off coupon code. And if you want to be part of their YouTube program, check that out as well. All you have to have is 100 subscribers or more. That's pretty awesome. So also I am doing the Christmas in July fairies. So if you haven't already done that, I will link that video down below in the description box. So if you haven't already entered, go ahead and enter it. Time is getting close on that. All right, you all. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and y'all take care of each other and be blessed. Bye.